Where's the ring light now? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Alexa Adobe and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'll be unboxing my ring light. Yeah, I'm so excited about that. I got this ring light from Amazon and it just arrived. So I'll be unboxing it here on this video. I know you don't really care about that, but you know, I just felt like showing you guys. And before I get right into the video, please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you want to see on my channel. I got you. Yeah, just tell me what you want to see, and then, you know. All right, let's get right into the video. So yeah, also ignore that I'm sitting on the floor. What if I open this box and I see a human hair instead of my ring light?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
All this thing for... Where's the ring light now? So this should be the stand. Should go this way. You know, go this way on the floor. I know you guys can't really see what's going on, but let me try and this should be on the floor, I guess, obviously. Then where's the ring light? You're supposed to...
What is it? Look at all. Look at all our sufferings.
Hey, Jesus Christ. So guys, I just realized that I got an empty box. An empty box with just a tripod stand. Like, what am I supposed to use a tripod stand? That wasn't what I ordered. Like, they legit just sent a tripod stand to me. Like, the ring light wasn't in the box. The phone holder wasn't in the box either. I'm so confused right now. I'm so annoyed and confused. I don't even know what to even do. I'm just like, what the fuck? I'm like, I'm just trying to keep my cool because this is so annoying. And it's actually funny though, because I was so excited. Yeah, this was what I saw, a tripod stand. It was in this box. And then, obviously, yeah, it was in this box. So I'm boxing this back to them. Because this wasn't what I asked for, honestly. And yeah. I just hope I don't spoil. Oh, God. Things like this just annoy the hell out of me. going to put this nonsense back for you people. Simple. Oh my god.
If it doesn't, oh my god.